Today I'll show you how to create covers using Udio AI. Go to the Udio AI website or app and sign up for a free or premium account. If you already have an account, just log in. Once logged in, navigate to the music section. Look for an option like generate a song or create music. You'll need to select a genre, style or mood for the song you wish to generate. Udio offers presets like pop, rock, jazz, electronics, etc. Choose the one that fits your needs. Input custom lyrics or choose to generate lyrics automatically. Udio AI might provide AI-generated lyrics based on the theme or allow manual input for personalized touch. You can also customize various elements like tempo, instrument key and general feel of the song. Adjust these parameters as you need. Once the AI generates the song, listen to the preview. If necessary, make adjustments by modifying the parameters. Regenerating or tweaking any elements like vocals or instruments. After you're satisfied with the song, download it. Udio offers different formats like MP3, WAV or FLAC. You can also share it directly via social media or streaming platforms. Udio's strength lies in its versatility, so try generating songs in various genres to get familiar with the range of outputs. Try simple repetitive lyrics for best AI interpretation. Complex metaphors or wordplay may not translate as well into music. Try layering vocals, background sounds and instruments to create depth and texture in the song. Save versions of your song along the way. This helps in case you want to revert to an earlier version. Play around with sections, choruses or verses. Sometimes AI-generated music may have abrupt transitions or awkward pacing. To avoid this, regenerate the song or tweak parameters related to the tempo structure. If you want more control over your song post-generation, try using Audacity or FL Studio to mix, edit, and enhance the generated tracks. You can also use free sounds from libraries like freesound.org for additional layers or effects to your Udio AI-generated songs. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials.